Okay, YouTube, this is Donna and I'm back. I am hyped right now. I'm so excited. I just left from work. It is Friday and I am on my way home. And I got some good news. So I got some good news. I received something today and I am so excited to be able to share it with you all. This has been 10 years coming. I am so excited. It's been 10, let's see. I started YouTube in 2012, I believe. It may be 9 years, but this has been 10 years coming, and I am so freaking excited. Like, it's life-changing, life-altering, and happiness that I haven't had in a while, and I'm so excited to share this with you guys. I just got off work. I'm on my way home. I just got off work, and I live about 30 minutes away from where I work, so I'm on my way home, and I am just ecstatic. Like, I never thought this would happen, and this is like 10 years later, and here we are. It's happening. Like, who would have thought that this would, who would have thought it? You know? It's like, you do stuff, and you do it because your heart tells you to do things, and you do it because it makes you happy, but you don't know the lives that you are affecting when you do it. So I am so pumped and excited. I can't wait to get home so I can share this with you guys. This was 10 years of hard work. 10 long years of hard work waiting for that and hoping one day that I'll get one. And I'm totally surprised. Like, I've enjoyed my adventures on YouTube, and I never thought, you know, for a long time I had like 6 people, and just my numbers will reflect different, but I didn't think that we would get here. Right now I'm eating my almond mix, dark chocolate berry with nuts. I got this from Smart and Final. To have something sweet, but not too sweet. So, back to what we were talking about. I enjoy sharing my life with you all on YouTube. Now, I have to be truthful. In these 10 years, I've come across some trolls. I've had one troll tell me that a hairstyle that I did didn't look nice. And I would have called her and asked her what could I do better, but she anonymously left me the message, so I wasn't. So if you want to come back and talk with me and maybe give me some pointers, I'm open. And then I've had another person who sent me a message when I posted, let's see, it's about 2015, we're in 2022, so 7 years ago. They called me effing lesbians. And I thought to myself, let me me get this person to speak on exactly what he meant by effing lesbians. Was he saying that we're lesbians who F us? We do that. That could have been it. Or was he saying like effing lesbians? I wish I was one. That that would have been a good one too, because I understand. I completely get it. And I know why you'd want to be an effing lesbian. So, you know, we've had some bullies. And, you know, I would have loved to have had contact with them. I would have loved to be able to talk to them and to get their perspective on exactly what effing lesbian is. Are you excited for us? Are you wishful that it was you? I didn't know. I didn't know if to thank you or tell you I could help you out. So I kind of left it blank. And then I've learned to just address the trolls by saying, and you're invisible. You're invisible. And by that I mean, I couldn't find you. I was looking for you because I wanted to talk to you. But I couldn't find you. You just have numbers on your page, so I couldn't find you. But if I find you, we'll have to sit down and talk about those courageous comments you left on my page. You know, I'm excited for you. I'm really excited for you. Because if all you want is to be, and I'm sure you don't mean you want to be an effing lesbian. I'm sure you mean you'd like to be an effing gay. Because I don't think men say effing lesbian. I think they say effing gay. So I think you may want to have sex with some men, but you want some pointers. I'm not a gay man, but I know some gay men. And I don't know if they'd be open to talk to you, but I may be able to reach out an olive branch and see if I can get someone to speak to you so that you could find your way to someone that truly loves you and that's willing to give you all of the D up your B and let you be an effing lesbian or an effing gay. I want to help you. I'm not trying to hurt you. So, what I'm going to do today is when I get home, because I got my package that I'm so excited. I can't even wait to open it. I'm so excited. I want to tear into it now, but I don't know, maybe once we park. When we park, I'll be able to open it up and share with you guys exactly what I received. It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. So I'm hoping to maybe get some more, not necessarily trolls, because I'm not gonna call you guys trolls, because maybe I took it wrong, because you definitely could have been saying, you effing lesbians, y'all be having sex and stuff. Or could be saying, you effing lesbian, as in, I'd like to be like you and be a effing gay. I got you. There's some books you can read. There's some toys you can buy to kind of help you get to that point, you know, to where it's comfortable. So, oh, and there's plenty of videos. If you inbox, I'll give you a couple of really good really good sites that you can learn how to be an effing gay. You know? Because I don't want you being envious or anything. I want to help you out. Help you out. You get it? You get it? Help you out of the closet, buddy. I don't want you hiding in the closet. It's not comfortable. All those clothes and stuff, and if a moth gets in there and you yawning one day because you're tired from sleeping in the closet, and the moth flies in your mouth and you accidentally chew it because you're hungry and you didn't pay attention to the fact that there was a moth climbing around in the closet, you know, you're gonna end up landing right in your mouth and you swallow because you like to swallow. So I'm gonna help you get out the closet. You just have to reach out to me. Give me some information. Let me know who you are. Let me know where you're at. Maybe we can get together. Me, you, my wife, and we can set you up with a nice gentleman that we may know. And we can be known as the effing lesbians and the effing gays. Ah! I like that. Yeah. So, you just go on and reach out to me. And we can work on those things. I'm sure of it. I always want to help somebody. My life is about helping people. So, you want to be helped? Reach back out to me. Got these hands for you, honey. I will teach you in the best way possible. So, I am getting very close to home, and drink some water. I'm having dark chocolate, nuts and fruit. I'm trying to do better as a human. So, I am about 6 minutes away from home. So, I'm 12 minutes in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to shut this down. And then when I get to my home, I'm going to open up my package and share with you guys a wonderful news. I'm so excited. Woo, 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 woo. Effing lesbian. Effing gays. So, I'll be back in a moment. Alrighty, YouTube. So, this is the let me cover it because it say my name, but let me make sure y'all can't see my address or nothing. Can y'all see who it's from? Okay, y'all see my name? Yeah, okay. So I'm gonna cover that because I don't want y'all see all my information. So that's this part and this part. So this is so exciting, and I am so honored. I'm so honored that you thought enough of me to give me this award. I am so, so honored. So, let's see. I received my plaque. I received my YouTube plaque. It's a YouTube with the red right there. And the congratulations. And then it says beautiful black one. This will go in my office forever. You guys see? I'm going to have to frame it. I'm going to have to frame it and everything because I'm official. I'm official. I'm official. I'm a YouTuber. I'm 135, boo. That means there are 135 people who are out there and who listen to me, okay? They be listening. And they got me, and I want to thank each and every one of y'all. If I could send $1 to every one of y'all, that'd be $136. I would do it. 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 All it. $1. $1, $2, $3, $4, $5, $6, $7, $8, $125, $35. $135. I would send it out if I had it. I would send y'all all $1 because it took all 135 of y'all to get me to this point. It took all of y'all. It took all of y'all. And look where I'm at. It only took me 10 years to get 135,000 viewers. Dang, this is... Oh, there's a lot. There's a lot. It took a lot for me to get here, and I want to thank all 135. That looked like an 8, but that's because I was putting a 0 because I thought it was 105. But I had to fix that, boo, because I got 30 more than that. I thought I had 105 people. I got 135. Y'all some beast out there. Y'all some beast out there for rocking with your girl. And I hope y'all stay another 10 years so we can get another 35 people. Woo, 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 woo. Woo. And I'm going to share with you guys my picture, my YouTube and my numbers, my statistics and everything. And please tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to subscribe. And y'all have a beautiful day.